These simple hacks can make a significant difference in how you present yourself day to day. How to look more muscular with 4 simple tips. Hey man, Gary Walker here, and welcome back for another video. Now, I know many of you have been hitting the gym religiously and sticking to a healthy diet, but you might still find yourself not quite looking as muscular as you'd like in your day-to-day life. It can be frustrating when all that hard work doesn't seem to reflect in your appearance. But fear not, because today I've got some straightforward, no-nonsense hacks that are gonna help you look more muscular with minimal effort. These tips are easy to implement and will have you feeling more confident in no time. So let's dive right in and unlock the secrets to effortlessly looking more muscular. All right, the first tip might seem simple and unimportant, but I promise you it will make a massive difference. Tip number 1, wear better fitting clothes. Yes, your choice of clothing can have a major impact on how your body looks and can be a game changer for you. You see, the clothes you wear can have a significant impact on how muscular you appear. If you're wearing shirts that are too loose, especially if you've been shedding some pounds lately, they can hide all those hard-earned gains you've been working so diligently for in the gym. Now, I personally became a victim of this travesty several years ago when I was preparing for my first bodybuilding show. You see, I had a corporate job and it was mandatory that I had to dress professionally for work every day. To make a long story short, as I started dieting down in preparation for my competition, my clothes started to get extremely loose and baggy on me. Underneath all my clothes, I was looking great and my muscles were popping out everywhere. However, all my hard work was being hidden by my baggy clothes. So much so that people I worked with thought I was either sick or I had given up working out altogether. It took about a week of hearing those comments before I realized I needed to get better fitting clothes. And let me tell you, there was a night and day difference in the comments I received. The solution is simple. Consider investing in some form-fitting shirts. These garments are designed to accentuate your physique, showcasing your muscles and contours in all the right places. It's a simple yet incredibly effective way to instantly enhance your muscular appearance without having to spend extra hours in the gym. So don't underestimate the power of a well-fitting wardrobe. It can make all the difference in the world. Now let's move on to tip number 2, and that's get a pump. Now, this is a concept that can provide an instant boost to your muscular appearance, a muscle pump. Getting a pump refers to a temporary increase in blood flow to your muscles, resulting in them appearing fuller and more defined. It's the feeling of tightness and increased size you experience during and after a workout. And guess what? You can use this to your advantage. Here's a quick and easy trick. Before heading out somewhere where you want to look your best, take a few minutes to do a mini workout, but focus only on the exercises like bicep curls and push-ups. These exercises target key muscle groups and they stimulate blood flow to your arms and chest, giving you that desirable pumped up look. All right, the beauty of this trick is that it's not about making long-term gains, but rather about the immediate visual impact. You'll notice that your muscles look bigger, more vascular, and more defined, all thanks to this pump effect. So don't hesitate to give it a try next time you want to look your most muscular when you're in a hurry. Let's tackle another game changer in your quest to look more muscular. That's maintaining good posture. Believe it or not, your posture plays a significant role in how you appear physically. When your shoulders are slouched forward and your posture is less than ideal, you inadvertently make yourself look smaller and less muscular than you actually are, or even shorter than you actually are. Here's why. Poor posture compresses your chest and shoulders, making them seem narrower. This in turn hides those well-developed muscles you've been working on. So what's the solution? It's simple. Stand up straight. When you maintain proper posture, you automatically widen your shoulders, puff out your chest, and create a more open and confident stance. This not only makes you look taller and more assertive, but also instantly enhances your muscular appearance. Whether you're sitting at your desk, walking down the street, or standing in a room, always be mindful of your posture. Straighten up, widen those shoulders, and puff out that chest. You'll be amazed at how much more muscular you look with this small adjustment. It's an easy fix that costs nothing and can make a world of difference. Keep in mind that this is only going to be a temporary fix that will make a huge difference in a pinch. However, you can also correct your bad posture if you're dealing with a forward head tilt. You can focus on stretching your chest muscles daily and strengthening your upper back muscles to pull your shoulders back and getting into the habit of consciously standing and sitting up straight. Now for the final tip. Tip number 4 is build bigger shoulders, man. Your shoulders are like the frame of a painting, and they play a crucial role in creating the illusion of width and strength. Well-developed shoulders not only add symmetry to your physique, but also contribute significantly to a more muscular appearance. Here's why it matters. When you focus on shoulder training, you're not only strengthening those muscles, but you're also broadening your upper body. This added width gives you a broader and more imposing presence, instantly making you look more muscular no matter what you wear. Make it a priority to incorporate shoulder exercises into your regular workout routine. Don't neglect them in favor of chest or bicep workout. By prioritizing shoulder development, you'll not only enhance your overall physique, but also achieve that desired muscular look that turns heads no matter where you go. Remember, building bigger shoulders takes time and consistent effort, but the results are going to be well worth it. So go ahead and give your shoulder muscles the attention they deserve and watch your muscular appearance transform before your eyes. There you have it. Let's quickly recap the 4 simple tips we've shared today to help you look more muscular. Number 1, wear better fitting clothes. Invest in form-fitting shirts to enhance your muscular appearance effortlessly. Get a pump. Make good use of the power of the pump effect by doing quick pre-outing workouts with bicep curls and push-ups. Maintain good posture, stand up straight, widen those shoulders, and puff out your chest to instantly look more muscular. Build bigger shoulders. Prioritize shoulder training in your workout routine to add width and contribute to a more muscular look. Remember, looking more muscular isn't just about spending endless hours in the gym. These simple hacks can make a significant difference in how you present yourself day to day. Now, I encourage each and every one of you to give these tips a try and witness the immediate results for yourself. It's amazing how a few small adjustments can lead to big changes in your appearance. Before we wrap up, I want to thank you for watching today's video. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more valuable fitness insights, and share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these tricks as well. Stay motivated, keep working towards your fitness goals, and remember, you have the power to look and feel more muscular starting today. Thanks again for tuning in, and as always, get busy, get after it, and God bless.